Hi good people, nice to meet you again. Today Balloon Kids the channel will show you how to make a beautiful horse with the balloon twisting. So we can say the name is a balloon horse. Let's prepare the balloon. We use a brown color here, light brown. And that's for the first. We make a small pinch twist for 2 pieces and we twist them together to make the shape of the nose. And after that we take some size about four fingers bubble, then continue with the double side of a small bubble. Then we continue again with the fingers bubble, the size about 4, or maybe you can make it in 5 fingers and continue with double side of fingers bubble. Okay, let's see. Continue again with the fingers bubble. The same thing, but the size is about 4 to 5 fingers. Then next to the fingers bubble in double side. So it's going to be back legs. Okay, so this is for the horse. And after the back legs, we make a small pin twist. And for the rest of the balloon, we can discard, or maybe you can use it direct to be the tail. But here we are going to make a different color for the tail. Okay, so just make tidy by cutting the rest of the balloon. Yep, so this is it for the balloon horse. Okay, take the different color. You can use white color, black color, or maybe like in this video that's a dark brown. So just twist on below of the neck and continue to make a small a small bubble. Make it a tiny small bubble. Yep. So for the next, still the same thing. So just enough for about 3, or it's depend on the size of the horse. If the size is bigger than the video show you, so for the small bubble it is will be more, but here we just need about 3 on left and 3 on right side. Make sure you lock the twisting, and for the rest of the balloon we can discard and make it tidy. Yeah. And so for the tail here we use the same color with the hair, and for the tail we can inflate the balloon halfway of that balloon, and after that we twist that into the small pin twist on the top of the back legs. Just bend to get the shape like we want, and for the rest of the balloon we can discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. to get the lovely shape, we can bend for the tail, and we can massage the bend of that balloon. Okay, here we preparing about 4 pieces of a small balloon, and this one also, you any color you have, just go ahead to make it. Doesn't matter whatever the color. Okay, for the small balloon, we tied them. For 2 pieces balloon, we tie to be 1, and now we are going to we twist them across each other, and after that, just take your horse and tie it or twist in the small balloon here. Yep, so you can see, and another legs, the same thing also, just tie that with the balloon that we already prepared in the small balloon. Yeah, so this is for the balloon horse we have done, and for finishing, just mark for the eyes. Alright, let's see. So during you enjoy the video, so please don't forget to give us your small support by click the thumbs up below this video, and you can subscribe my channel. Maybe you can share the channel to your friends to get more support to growing up my channel. Alright, for everyone, so this is for the balloon horse. Okay, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you to join us. Don't forget to give us your small support by click the thumbs up below this video. Then you can subscribe my channel. Maybe you can share one of my video or my channel to your friends to get more support to growing up my channel. Then thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. We'll see again with the next video. Bye bye.